Morning Year 2, we're going to have a look today at another comprehension. It's another Little Red Riding Hood one in your pack, so like we did the other day, except this time it's slightly different. We're looking this time at different questions. So I'm going to read the text just like last time. You can pause the video at any time. If you want to highlight anything you think is going to be important, you can do that. And then I'll read the questions. After every question, if you pause the video to answer it, and then carry on playing it. Okay, so here goes. Follow along with me. Little Red Riding Hood and her mother live near a big, dark forest. Her name comes from a bright red cloak with a hood that her granny made her. Please take this food to your granny. She's unwell in bed, says her mother. Go through the forest, but don't talk to any strangers you meet on the way. Little Red Riding Hood waves goodbye. She walks into the forest with her basket. She doesn't see the big, black wolf watching her from behind a tree. Suddenly, the wolf is on the path. Where are you going? He asks. I'm taking this food to Granny, says Red Riding Hood, feeling very scared. I think I would be too. And it gives you the answer at the bottom. Okay. So if you turn to the other side of the sheet, we're going to have a look at the questions. And like I said, if you want to pause the video after each question, you can do. So it says copy and finish this sentence. Granny made Little Red Riding Hood's basket, cloak, cake. Choose your answer and put it in the box. Okay, question 2. Little Red Riding Hood's granny felt unwell, happy or tired. Choose an answer. You can pause the video while you write it in. Question 3. Little Red Riding Hood walked through the field, village, forest. Question 4. Little Red Riding Hood was scared of the forest, the wolf or the dark. Choose an answer and pop it in. Question 5. Adjectives are describing words. Copy the adjectives used to describe these nouns. So A, the forest. Find the words that describe the forest and write it next to it. Okay, you can pause the video. B, the cloak. Which words describe the cloak? And C, the wolf. Write the adjectives next to it that describe the wolf in the story. Question 6. You have now read the start of 2 Little Red Riding Hood stories. A. List what is different about the 2 stories. So you're going to have to go back in your pack to the other Little Red Riding Hood story we did. What's different about them? B. List what is the same about the 2 stories. Okay, so we're going to look at them both. Have they got the same characters? Are they wearing the same? Are the characters portrayed the same? Do they come across the same? Question 7. Which story do you prefer and why? So you've got to write a sentence to say which one you prefer, which one you like the best. Okay. If you want, you can just keep it in your pack, and when you submit it, we'll have a look at it. If you want to take a photograph, put it on Seesaw, Class Dojo, that's also fine. Enjoy.